Okay, so let's see how to use a easy to make animation look more nice. So I'm going to animate this icon by using position. Let's add keyframe here and add a keyframe right here. So I'm going to select this one, and by hitting shift I'll drag it here. So let's hit preview and see. So now you can see you have animation, but it is poorly. So if you want to make easy, you have to come and select all these keyframes by hitting selecting left click on your mouse. You will find this keyframe assistance, easy, or you can hit F9 on your keyboard. Let me choose easy. So now you can see, if we hit preview, to start to look more nice. So let me show you how to use easy in other way. So I'm going to select this, and in your left mouse, keyframe velocity, I have to click on this keyframe velocity. So I'm going to, on inference, I'm going to write 75. Let's hit preview again. So now you can see it is looking more good than by using easy only, but if you make 75 inference, it will look more good. So this is the tip you can use to create your animation look more nice. So I see in other lesson I will show you how to use other tip to make animation look even more nice. So I see in other lesson.